Well, this is immixgames.com, and this is the site where we sell these board games and card games that my company has made themselves. So currently, what you see here is I have a carousel that goes through a few of the advertisements on the homepage. First one there was for one of our games. This goes to our survey page so you can tell us what you're interested in. And this last carousel heads to our upcoming, and we'll take a look at those in a second as we go through the website. Up on the top here, this takes us to the home page that we're currently at. The About page lets us know about who we are and our mission statement. And our contact information is found here. If you have any questions about this video, you can also go to this email, info@immixgames.com, and let us know. So from the home page, you can also go to the store. In the store is the current games we have available. Shifted here was my top seller, mainly because of price as well as the promotions that I did for it on various sites. And so if we're going to click on Shifted. On the left, you can scroll through the different pictures. Over here, you can see the different blurbs for it and the information about it. And just by clicking this button, you can add to the cart, as you see there. And then by going back to the store, you can also sort these games by style as well as category. And the great thing about the category is, say we chose family games, which these all are, you can also go by price, and so that you can repress search and figure out what is best for you. So here we have Shifted again, $15. Excuse me. After that, we can also look at our upcoming games that we are working on. And so you see here all the different various games we're currently working on that we do not have available. And by clicking on one of these, a modal pops up that tells you a little bit more about it. And then we have a survey, which I have a Google embedded survey within that you can do within the web page. And that covers the basics of the front end. And by going here, you can also see the back end that I created. I used a Spree version and to go over the various orders of content and as well as talk about the different products. It was a great one to use. I really recommend using Spree if you are going to go with a Ruby on Rails application like I did. So as you can see here, this is the code that I created to make the web page. This is the basic application.html that I used partials and yields to fill in based on other information. For example, here we have the contact information that is yielded in, as well as our survey, and then the header information is all right here. So this is a great thing to use. This is how I deployed it onto Heroku, is using a command prompt. And as you can see here, Heroku, this is Immix website, the Heroku app, and this is where it's actually residing. I did use Google for my domain name, and so that connected well to the analytics that you see here and the AdWords account. AdWords are not currently running, though I did have a lot of success, as you can tell by my bill. And so the analytics was wonderful. I really liked using it. A lot of various information that I got. Not a lot of conversions because no one's bought in the past week, but there was a lot of people that viewed my site based on the ads that I had, as based on other types of coming in as well. And it was just a wonderful thing to use. And so I think I have covered everything you need to know about Immix Games. If you have any questions, comment below, or feel free to, again, email me at info@immixgames.com. Thank you for watching this video.